Avocado salad with Brazilian vinaigrette salsa. Salad ingredients: 1 medium tomato, cut into eighths. Half small cucumber, thinly sliced. 1 small red onion, halved and thinly sliced. 1/3 cup julienned green pepper. 2 tablespoons Italian salad dressing. 1 medium ripe avocado, peeled and cubed. Directions: in a small bowl, combine the first 4 ingredients. Add dressing and toss to coat. Chill until serving. Just before serving, add avocado and toss gently. Vinaigrette ingredients: 1 large onion, diced. 4 tomatoes, diced. 1 green or red bell pepper, diced, optional. 1/3 cup chopped parsley. 1/4 cup white wine vinegar. ½ cup olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions: combine all the ingredients in a large bowl and mix well. Season with salt and pepper and serve.